Hi everyone, welcome back to Fox Family Farm. This is Bill, your host. It's a cold, snowy day here in Monmouth, February 6th. They sent all the kids home early today from school, so I'm home too. So we'll check and see how things go outside right now. Not much snow yet this winter, but it's coming in more and more now. We'll take a walk out, see if the cow and the horses are still out. And yet they don't seem to mind the cold too awful much. There's Marigold. Hey Marigold. You want me to open up your door so you can get inside if you want to? I'll do that. You've been under the tree a little bit, haven't you? Yeah. She's gonna follow me around. All right, Marigold, you want me to get your door opened up for you? Yeah, let me close this up so you can't get out. Here we go. Come on, I'll open it up. There's no food in here right now, but at least you can come in if you want to. Marigold has this little space here that we have her in. Let me get the door out of get the water dish out so the door can open all the way up. There. All right, now you want to go in, you can. What do you think? You have a very snowy face, Marigold. Yes, you have a very snowy face. Not bothering you too bad, huh? I didn't throw any hay in yet, but there's a little bit in there if you want to have it. All right, well, it's up to you. Let's see who else is out right now. She's going to follow me around some more. If you think I'm letting you out, I'm not. Who else is out and about here? Pixie's out. Hey, Pixie. Karina is out. Hello, Karina. Hello, pretty girl. And look, here's Button and Spirit. Hello. Hi there. Oh, I know. You want to smell that? I know. Yeah. Hi. Hello. It's snowing outside. Did you notice? You noticed, didn't you? Well, it certainly is a pretty day. I see some sheep over there too. I guess none of the animals are terribly worried about it. All right, well, that's what it's like in February on Fox Farm here in Monmouth, Maine. Everybody's thinking, well, we could eat supper early, couldn't we? We'll have to see. But from Marigold and the horses, have a great day, everybody, and thanks for watching Fox Farm. We appreciate all of you. Hope you're enjoying your winter. Everybody here is beginning to think we wouldn't mind spring coming. Take care. We'll talk to you again soon.